Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful necklace to match with the clutch bag I made from the previous video. So I have a pink ink bead, half pearls in 12mm. I have it in white and pink. This is a split ring that I'm going to use in between them. Split ring. I have a teardrop bead. I have this white pearl too. All the sizes will be listed down below. This is a bead cap I'm going to use, and an eye pin. It's called eye pin. Of course, we are going to use a ribbon. This is just ordinary ribbon. Just get some from the store. Okay, here I cut the ribbon 30 inches long. 30 inches. I'm going to measure it for you guys to see. Or you can just wrap the ribbon around your neck and cut the length that you want. Just have enough at the end so that you can tie it. So this is 31 inches I cut. So what we are going to do, we are going to roll the edge of the ribbon. We're going to roll it and roll, make it a little small and tight. So I'm going to use a needle. I put thread on the needle. I'm going to sew the edge a little bit. Go through the edge a couple of times. The idea of using the needle is we are going to use the needle to pull the bead onto the ribbon. So that's the whole idea about it. So I go through. Now with the teardrop, using the bead cap under it. That's my eye pin. I'm going to go through it, both of them, and another bead cap, the little one on the top, just like that. I'm going to use this golden bead, metallic bead on the top too, just to make it pretty. So now bend the pin 90 degrees on your finger. Then you are going to hold it with a nose plier and pull it back towards us. Just be patient and gentle. Pull it round towards you and burn it. Just like that. So now I'm going to cut a little bit of it so I can adjust it well. Let's cut a little bit. Just like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make it round, nice, and put the edge into the golden bead to secure it over there, like that. So this is how it looks like. This eye pin, you can use it to do so many things. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the ribbon through that eye pin over there onto the ribbon. So next thing we are going to do is to stack the bead in the pattern and put the ring, the split ring in between. Put in the ring and I'm going to add white pearl. Put a ring, and a pink bead. Put a ring, and put another bit of this, okay, the white one, white pearl. Just take your time and stack it nicely. If you want to make it, just take your time and do it nicely. So this is just a repetition. We are going to stack all the beads onto the ribbon. Just stack it. Make sure you don't miss a ring or putting two same bead at the same place. Or you can design it. You can stack it how you like. You can put 2 pink beads, 2 pearls, and a ring. You design it yourself, how you want it to look on you. This ribbon is thick, very thick, so the beads are not going to run down on it. Now I have 10 millimeters I want to put at the edge. 2 10 millimeters, and I have those are 2 10 millimeters. I have 8 millimeter. I have two 8 millimeters. Then I'm going to put 6 millimeter at the end. The hole is a little small, so you have to pull it through here. Now it's good. See how nice the edge look like. If your ribbon is loose or is very thin, you can tie a knot in between the beads so that it doesn't run down the ribbon easily. We are going to do the second part of it. You see, I'm shaking it, but it's not, because this ribbon is thick. It makes everything secure. You can tie yours at the end if you like. So I'm going to do the second part of it. This is how it looks like. Very simple and easy. Everybody can do this. Everybody can do this. Look at how pretty and beautiful it's looking. It takes a few minutes to do. Very pretty. So what I'm going to do is to trim the edge. You trim it, trim both ends. Just trim it nicely, because the ribbon, sometimes the thread can be pulling off from it. So what I'm going to use, you're going to secure the edge by using a lighter. Just slide a little bit so that the thread will not come out from it. Just like that. This is your necklace. We are done with the necklace. That's it, guys. Beautiful necklace. You can use the colors that you like to make it with. It shouldn't be only pink. You can use the colors that you want. Please subscribe to my channel and turn off that notification that anytime I upload a video, you can receive it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and spending this time with me.